Okay, so this would be your first. You're gonna multiply the first two. Okay, the outer two are gonna be the outside two pieces. Okay, this is gonna be your outer. Your inner is gonna be these two purple ones. And then your last is gonna be the last two. Okay, and so the reason we do that, and people say, well, does the order matter? Kind of, okay? And I say kind of because as long as you multiply all four pieces, it's okay. But if you're forgetting to do pieces, then that's where you're gonna get into a problem. And so that's why everyone always says do the first, the outer, the inner, the last. Okay, and then the last part that we need to talk about is the signage. Okay, whatever sign is in front of a number, then that's the sign that it belongs to. Okay, so if we look at this, there's no sign in front of this n. So the first piece is going to be that n. Okay, same thing here. This is 7n. That negative is in front of that 1. So that's going to be, that goes to the 1. And that negative goes to that 2. So when you multiply things, it should be -1 times whatever, okay? -2 times whatever, okay? So, and to me, that's the hardest part. You guys know how to multiply and you know how to combine like terms, okay? So if we multiply, we're gonna do the first two pieces. What is it? N times 7n. 7n, you multiply the big, so 1 times 7 is 7, and then we have 2n, so it's gonna be 7n squared. Okay, and then we do the outer, okay, so you're gonna do these two. N times -2. -2n. The inner, -1 times 7n. Yeah, it's gonna be -7n. And then the last, -1 times -2. +2. Faith, put that up. Okay, and then lastly, we can combine like terms. What can you combine? The ends, okay, and only these two. Okay, so this, we're gonna get 7n squared. What is -2 minus 7? -9n plus 2. Okay, if you do the foiling right, okay, and you do the first, the outer, the inner, last, the things that are going to be combined are always going to be that middle two, okay? If you start doing it in a different order, then you're going to have to look at it and kind of pick pieces out. What does that plus go to? The 7, okay? So this is going to be a piece, this is going to be a piece, this is going to be a piece, and this is going to be a piece. Okay, so we're going to multiply the first. So 4 times what? What's on the other one?
1.
A 1. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4. And then how many b's do we have here? 2. Okay, so 4b squared. The first, then we're going to do the outer. 4b times 2. Okay, well, what is 4 times 2? 8, and we have 1b. 7 times b. 7b. And then 7 times 2. 14. What can we combine? The 8 and the 7 to give us what? 15. So we got 4b squared plus 15b plus 14. Okay, we're not doing it today, but you know how like addition and subtraction go together, right? They're opposites. What does multiplication go with? Division. Okay, foiling, doing this, and factoring go together. So you can go from this form to this form, or later on we're going to be going, this week, we're going to be going from this form to the parentheses form. Okay, and so that's why we're practicing foiling and factoring this week. Okay, if we look at number 5, we got 5n times 8n. 40n squared. Okay, we did the first, the outer, it's gonna be 5n times what? 3. What are you gonna get? 15n. And then 3 times 8n, 24n. And then 3 times 3, 9. Okay, same thing. If you do the factoring or the foiling right, you should be able to always combine the two middle pieces. What is 15 plus 24? 39n plus 9. Can I scroll? No, get off that. Okay, 7. We're gonna multiply the first two pieces. And what are you gonna get? 25k squared. So we got 5 times 5 is 25. And we have 2k's. 5 times what? Negative 4. Okay, you're gonna get negative 20k. The inner, 1 times 5k. 5k. And then the last, 1 times negative 4. Negative 4. What are we going to get when we combine? 25k squared minus 15k minus 4. Why is it a minus 15k? There's one positive and one negative, okay? So we can't just add them together and say 25k in the middle. Okay, look at 9. We got 7x times what? 1x. Okay, so you're gonna get 7x squared. Oh, I almost broke K. 7x squared. The outer is gonna be 7x times 3. 21x. The inner is gonna be 1x. And then the last is gonna be plus 3. Okay, so we're going to combine these two middle ones. So you're going to get 7x squared plus 22x plus 3. Okay, last one. 5k times 4k. I mean 20k squared. We did the first, the outer. You're gonna get plus 25k. The inner, negative 8k. And then the last is gonna be negative 10. What can we combine? $20k, 25k minus 8. What are you going to get?
It's 5 times 4.
Where? What?
It says 5k times 4k is 20.
5k times 4k is 20k.
Wait. Never mind.
Did I mess up? For real? Was mine right or no?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. I was going to believe you. I don't freaking know. It's Monday morning. Okay, and then if we combine these two, what are you going to get? Huh?
15.
15?
I mean, not 15, 17, sorry. I'm tired.
Me too. I knew it wasn't 15, but I don't know if it was 17. Okay, 17k. Okay, you guys got 6 of them to do. Go through, get them done, and then put it in the box back there.